Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss and take the trades, or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades. And once again, welcome to a special video how to trade Bank Nifty in 15 to 5 minutes time frame for Monday session. Let's start analysis without wasting our time. Bank Nifty hour 4 chart. This hour 4 chart, price facing some support here, this zone around 32,160 level. Previously this area acted resistance. Now once resistance breaks, the same area acted as a support zone. So here price at the support zone. Now let's see in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, same thing, price facing at the support zone. So tomorrow Monday, if price break this area, Bank Nifty price break this area, then we go for short opportunities, or else if price break above this condition, we go for some short term long opportunity. This is the another resistance zone. So let's see in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to draw this line, the leaning trend line here, and this trend line. See here, price hit the trend line on bounce back and hit the trend line, bounce back. So again here price at the resistance zone. This is the range in 15 minutes. Okay, mark this range, this range. If this range break below this trend line with a huge candle like this, and this is also a very good support level. If break this price break below this trend line around 32,100, then again you see a little bit of pullback to this area. Then if we find any rejection here, we go for short opportunity, or else if price back to this zone around 32,300 area, if you find any rejection like this, then we go for short opportunity up to this zone, or else another scenario, if price back to resistance area and then break this area with a huge momentum candle in 15 minutes time frame, this line, now the resistance line, once this resistance line breaks, then the price acted as a support. If we find this kind of a price action, then we go for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. This is the first target and second target and third target here. Before that, we go for another long-term analysis. In hour 4 time frame, if price break this area and back to retest this trend line again, the leaning trend line, if this happens, then we target around this area around 32 32 700 zone, 32 700 to 32 800 zone. If we find any rejection, then price respect this trend line, the leaning trend line. So then again we go for short opportunity up to this zone around 32,000. If this zone also break below this 32,200, price break this area and we go for short opportunities. This will happen very fast. If this price break below, price will move down very fast in Monday. And let's see how price open on Monday. In Monday session, if price makes any gap down this area, wait for pullback to this resistance zone. Now this is a support zone. Once this support zone break, then acted as a resistance zone. So if we find any rejection here, then we go for short opportunity. It's very good trading opportunity if this kind of price action happen on Monday. This is the another free room to fall, Bank Nifty. Below this zone, we search for short opportunity. Short opportunity. Above this, if this trend line break, then we go for a short term long opportunity up to this zone. If this thing, this linear line broken, and then go for another bullish move on Bank Nifty. This is the range we find now. This range might be another break to downside. Let's wait for Monday due to corona pandemic going on. So after price opens, then only we speak how to trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we find entry on 15 minutes time frame, this is the setup chart. We go for a quick entry with the 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, it's give early signal to jump on board. This see here, this is a very clear price action here. This is the just up and down within the range. If price back to this zone, break this above, and we go for long opportunity. The same thing, if price back to this area and break this level, and we wait for the pullback, then go for short opportunity in Bank Nifty. This is the clear price action. Let's see if we get a good trading opportunity Monday. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like my videos, and also subscribe my Telegram channel, link in description. In my Telegram channel, I clearly mentioned some trades here. Before and after market, I will show you some entries. This entries on last Friday. So result, see here. So entry and the exit levels also I mentioned in my group. This is the entry. I place my red arrow here, down arrow. So price back to going down here. So the same thing another trade. I'll show you. See here. See here, I mentioned stop loss entry here around the red line, the red arrow indicating the price go down. So result, I will show you. This is the result chart. And see here the channel area completed price. This is the zone. I give the entry. Now I give one more entry at this point. So price complete this channel already. In our 4 time frame, price traded around 32,200. I give call at 32,500 range. 32,500 price will go down. So then again the same thing happen. This is the result chart I'm showing here. Thank you for watching. Have a profitable week.